Good afternoon. It is Coach Janice, and sitting next to me is none other than Karen Bates. And Karen Bates, if you don't know, is the receptionist, office manager, extraordinaire. What is your official title?
I have no idea.
Perfect. Of the New Transformation Life Centers here in Murfreesboro. And she's a client of mine. And Karen, how long have you been on the program?
Since July the 26th of last year.
Okay. So today we want to recognize Karen because today she hit maintenance.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Yay!
For those of you who don't know, maintenance is when women are 30% body fat or less, 50% or more hydrated, and 30% or more in muscle mass. I will brag on Karen. She has 35% muscle mass, which is maintenance level for me. Also, low body fat, doing awesome. So, Karen, let's see, what would you like to tell us about LT360 or your experience so far?
Well, it started out that my husband was the one who wanted to do it, and I was a little skeptical because I was worried that we might, I didn't know what to expect. Mm-hmm. And we came to the seminar and listened to Coach Scott, and we decided we would do it, and we have stuck with the program. I mean, he's doing great too. It's not hard. Probably the hardest thing is meal prep sometimes when we're trying to have something different but then you got to count the calories, but that's getting easier every day.
Yeah.
So, it's really, staying on the calorie count and the exercise. Exercise is a little tough sometimes, especially with the weather we've had lately and the cold and the rain, and so it's a little tough, but those walking videos that everybody talks about that Leslie sends home, it's a great way to get your exercise in the house.
That's right, indoor strategy.
Absolutely, absolutely. And she's great. I started with her, doing her years ago, and that was what started me walking in the first place. So, and we're training for a little 5K in April, so about 3 weeks. So we're doing good. But I love the program. It's not that hard. You just have to make your mind up that you're going to do it.
Yeah, that is pretty much everything.
Yeah.
All right. Show us your before picture.
This is my before picture.
Get it up there, girl. Really get it. Look at that, people. Look at it. Look at her.
That was the day after we signed up.
Awesome. See, we always tell our clients to take a before picture, and that's why, because it's a big change. Look at that. Look at that, girl. Awesome. So how much fat have you actually lost?
I've lost 54.7 pounds of fat.
That is so good. What's your scale weight difference?
Scale weight difference is 36 pounds.
36 pounds.
Yeah.
So good. Mm-hmm. All right. So silver or gold?
Well, gold, of course.
Awesome. So she is now going to slide the tube of the cannon, which is reserved for those who hit maintenance. Karen Bates down 54.7 pounds of fat in 225 days. Ooh. Faithfully working LT360. Definitely no longer looking like this anymore. Not that you look bad, my friend. Not that you look bad at all. All right. Congratulations.
Thank you, Janice.
Y'all have a good one.